For you, that's okay, the air condition?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I have sitting this area.
We're sailing day number 1, leaving Marsala. Over there. Let's check out this boat. So, come through the salon.
Dinner prep going on.
Oh yeah, a little heat on the side for those that are into it.
And here we have our kitchen.
Oui.
Okay, that's a little bit too close.
The view from the upper deck.
I mean, you look up at the cliffs, you can't tell where the heck the trails are. That's, you say, well, you can't find much trail there.
Really?
Today's philosophers.
You got it all figured out.
We solved everything.
We have it all solved.
Did anyone write it down?
But it's a secret.
And there's two choices.
Pretty.
There's a vegetarian option of
Mushrooms
mushrooms.
and meatballs, pasta. And then if you want to add a few mushrooms to your meatballs, there's a little skillet.
That's
of
extra.
that. There's a little topping available.
Oh, okay.
And Evelyn, tell us about this little.
Oh, and there's ajvar,
mix.
which is a roasted red pepper or grilled pepper dip, which you can use on your bread.
And the birth year boy was the roaster today.
Yes.
Box you got there.
And how
This
it
box
fit.
is not only more ecologically friendly, it packs nicer in the boat. It has less waste.
How's it taste?
Magnifique. Life on the freezer.
He hasn't had it yet.
I think he's had 3 boxes and he's just trying to get his thoughts together. Wait, that was in my bag. Shell necklace. All right, today is Tuesday, and we're on the island of Levatano. So let me show you over here. So it's the kind of top one, and we're over by the B, kind of the top left, about 10 o'clock. And so what we're looking at are these caves, and these are caves that they were, so the original artwork in here was 12,000 years ago, before the Mediterranean filled in, and then the Mediterranean filled in. You see here, so again, this used to be woods up there. There's no more woods, but these are some of the cave paintings that you'll see. And again, that's the island we're on, is that Levanzo. And these were discovered in 1949.
All right, Tom, cheers.
here we are in the Birgi airport, waiting for our cars.
It's amazing.
We got one car already. Kevin's got one. We got a small Audi. Waiting to see what car Tom has.
So Andy, if we have extra room in the car, we can take this dog with us. I'm sure you will love it.
Here we go, circus cars. How much can we pack in?
It only took half a day.
Russell.
All right.